All right, welcome back to Codes and Coffee. Today we have a 2014 Toyota Sienna, and it has a code for a Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor. We're gonna go ahead and show you what the location on that is. And we have a pretty good feeling that the part that was sent to us is the wrong one. We're gonna try it for you. This is the LE model. Okay. This one's a May 2014. It's 2014.
Wow, okay. Here we go. Thank you, God. Some of them are bitch to get to, man. You have any idea what it takes for me to find it fucking things?
Yep.
It's been getting lately pretty hard. All right, so it's on. I think it's oxygen sensor, bank 2 sensor 1, but I just can't remember. Do. Module, let's go to first module. Let's see what it says. Read codes, we're reading it. Oxygen sensor circuit low, voltage, bank 1, sensor 2.
Yeah.
Bank 1, sensor 2. Okay, I think that's the only one we got a problem with, okay? All right, so as long as we know what that is, bank 1, sensor 2.
Bank 1, sensor 2.
All right, so now you can bring the sucker in.
All right.
So let's go back to right around here, Mikey. Look, this is the back side of the engine, right? This is bank 1. This would be, all right, so if there is, now this would be the one I'm interested in, right here, Mikey. Because if you look at here, this is the catalytic converter for the back 1. This is bank 1. So there has to be an oxygen sensor right about here somewhere. Where is it? Come on, show me. Yes, there is something right here, Mikey. Look, here's the end, and I'm touching it. There's an oxygen sensor, something. That's the bank 1. This is the bank 1 sensor 1. This is the bank 1 sensor 2, right here. Now, what we need to be careful in is, this guy goes right through here, Mikey, and we need to know, because the Jenny wasn't sure on this one.
Mm-hmm.
You see it?
Oh, that's a short one.
This is not it. Look.
Nope.
And look, you see the plug? So what she sent me is this guy right here. That's what she did. And I told her specifically bank 1, which is the back of it too. Just, she doesn't know,
She open?
Not today. Today, we're not getting anything.
All auto parts are closed today?
Let me call,
Maybe
today is, you pushing your luck. I mean,
Memorial Day. Can we do it?
let's go here. I'm gonna,
1977 Pontiac Firebird.
nobody's there. My best bet is, Mikey, I'm gonna call Federated. Sometimes Federated doesn't.
Federated may not be a bad idea.
Nobody's over, Mikey.
No.
Got the wrong part, so nothing you can do here. One part have it, brother.
You think can we put an adapter to back it off? You think that'll help for now?
No, it's not a matter of, I think it's physically there's something wrong.
That's not nosy.
Yeah, no, it's got a problem. And on a holiday, just nothing we could do, you know, it is. Why can't you not know where the bank one is, bank two is? Bank one is right out back, right in the firewall. Bank two is up front, right next to the radiator. Oh, well,
Well, at least we know where bank
bank one
bank
is.
one is. It's right back here.
Bank one, bank two, bank one, bank two, bank one, bank two, bank one, sensor two,
Bank one, sensor
Bank one?
two.
sensor two. No, this is,
Bank
yeah.
two. Yeah.
So this is bank one, sensor two. There's another one out top, is bank one, sensor one. I'm sorry, bank two. Oh, you know what I mean. Come on, let's go with the position.
All right. Well, this is the location.